using this as a tool to make the impossible possible in the traditional processing technology. Ningbo has a good innovation environment and many manufacturing companies, which makes it easy to transfer academic achievements from the lab to the actual industrial application. Ningbo Institute of Materials Technology and Engineering, Chinese Academy of Science, provides all the resources young researchers need to carry out new investigations, including sufficient financial support, advanced experimental setup, and professional support teams. After studying and working for 8 years in University of Manchester, and joined NIMT in 2022. Currently, there are over 19 people in our team conducting cross-scale laser processing studies, ranging from mid-level to atomic level. One of my research fields is multiple material additive manufacturing. Using self-developed technology, we successfully printed extremely dissimilar materials together, such as tungsten and copper, which presents both good heat exchangeability and high temperature resistance. NIMT has a highly effective management team, capable of making quick decisions, completing the task in the first time, and never delaying. NIMT offers comprehensive support for researchers, including the assistance with children's education. During my free time, I enjoy cooking by myself. It makes my wife and the kids quite happy. It can also let myself feel quite relaxed, and I can get new ideas for the investigation. Research Center for Laser Extreme Manufacturing aims to break the boundary of manufacturing, achieve extreme performance, and survive in extreme environments. I believe that our team would become a top laser study team in the world in the coming years.